We're down here at our friends and neighbors at Thunder Grafix, and I'm going to get the big reveal on the stripe job on Ranch Hand. I haven't seen it yet. Actually, I have seen a couple of little tiny like close-up sneak peeks, but this is the first time I'm going to see the entire truck. So here we go. I can't believe it! That's really my truck? Now, did that not have the exact effect we wanted to? Does that not look like an 80s stripe job? I mean, with the 3 and 4 color on there, it did exactly what we hoped. I could not be happier with the colors or the design. What was real important to me was to go all the way up and over the hood, and then I'll show you something else that all through the 70s actually, on all of my dad's old trucks, they would not only do the stripes up here, but they would also panel out the fenders. And I'm so happy that they included this on this truck. You don't see fender graphics much anymore. Another amazing thing, can you believe this is vinyl? I mean, that looks incredible. I used to say from 20 foot you couldn't tell it wasn't paint, but I mean from 20 inches you can't tell it's not paint. This looks exceptional. Check this out. Ah, nailed it. That looks really good. Dig the old school pinstripes too. Got kind of a Western flair. I'm a happy customer. I am a happy customer. Again, color choice is perfect. Really lays nice on this copper. And I guess there's one thing we're all learning here. If you need any kind of graphics or striping for your truck, You need to see the folks here in Joplin at Thunder Grafix. They got it going on. They are definitely best in class. Man, they nailed this.